I want to show you how to reset the service reminder on this Mercedes C-Class 2017 W205. The three buttons you need is the call, end and OK. Then you follow the procedure. You put the key in position 1. And make sure that you have the odometer there, not anything else. If you don't have the odometer, just keep scrolling until you get the odometer. You see, you can get to the service menu from here, but this is not what you want. If you go through there, you won't be able to reset it. Okay, trip, press OK. Now press the call button, end and OK. Now we have the menu. Scroll down the Assist Plus. Okay. It's telling me to switch ignition on. Switch ignition on. Okay. Full service. Okay. Confirm. Okay. All grade. Okay. Confirm.